went in there with the confirmation number that we get. There's like
Your turn.
emails a day. Which is true. We get like 2,000 something like that emails, or 200 or 500.
Your turn.
Emails saying these was you notified you have a tracking.
It's your turn.
There's no way to look it up because it doesn't. But I don't know why. I said, wait a minute, let me get this confirmation number. It comes up. And sure enough, Melissa, it comes up. So now I can pull up the tracking numbers without the need trying to figure out the city.
Nom 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 nom.
That city and state. How do you know? And I was like, first of all, there's not really that many, if any.
1, 2, 3.
I can't believe it.
Branch.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like there may be, but
May the Lord bless these cards. 1, 2, 3 kittens.
actually before certain branches.
Yeah.
200. The rest figured out their own way of closing locations, and they probably have one employee picking up the mail. You know what I'm saying? From the post office. Danny, what are you doing? You looking at him. Well, anyway,
I am full of fear.
it comes up, Melissa.
Even though I walk through the valley of kittens, I will fear no evil.
Yes, I was like, cool. I think something.
Yeah.
And I also figured out, like when we're uploading, and hit save, it saves a profile with that other user ID. You know what I'm saying? How to do it easier? And she was like, "Oh, what do you mean? What did you do?" So I didn't tell her shit, Melissa. I was like, just like she doesn't tell me shit when I ask her a question about how she did something, like how did she set up the UPS billing? And they showed her how to do it. So I'm just like, I don't care. I'm not gonna be like, oh, I need to know that. I'll figure it out if I have to.
Kitty cat butt butt. Pew pew.
Wow, 700. And I don't know who this is.
Your turn. Nom 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 nom.
Because I've been going to Scarborough and Tweety and telling me, hey, what's this? Look.
Hack soup.
Job number.
Okay, I go back to it.
I can't call I'm going to tell them today, listen, Scarborough and Tweety needs to put the cost.
Your turn.
If they're not going to put it in the
Potato.